How to find a YouTube video link. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. If you're using the YouTube app, you can follow similar steps. Next, find the video you want to share. You can search for it using the search bar or open it from your subscriptions, history, or homepage. Once the video is open, look below the video player and click the Share button. A sharing menu will appear with several options. To copy the video's link, simply click Copy. The YouTube video link will now be copied to your clipboard. You can then paste the link into a text message, email, social media post, or anywhere else you want to share it. If you're using the YouTube mobile app, tap the Share button below the video. Then tap Copy Link. And that's it. You've successfully copied a YouTube video link and can now share it with anyone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more YouTube tips and tutorials.